And then at the same time, Bushy, look at that one. It's like a peacock tail. Margate. Just it, they're looked after, and you can see that they've actually been, I would say, trimmed. They've come right up to him. You have tried to go in again. They must sell nuts and stuff here because people have been feeding them nuts and fruit. Yeah. I had one in wood that come up on my lap. What's your brave one? Oh, it's up there. Have you got them there? This has got to be your favourite part of the day today, isn't it? Look down there on your right hand side there, right by that post.
I see it.
Can you see him? He's up there eating his duck.
You let him say to get him to come to you, there's a wait there.
Up there.
They'll be coming over to that, right next to
Up there.
just there. Right there. They'll be coming over to them.
Look up there.
I can't see it.
Can you not see him? He's in the little crook. If you come this way a bit.
Oh.
Come stand here.
Yeah.
There.
Oh,
See him
yeah.
eating his nut.
Oh, thank you.
That's alright. See ya.
So quick. You can't go in there. It's not the rubbish that you contributed. No. As far as you're going, Mr. Man. No. As far as you're going. But they definitely looked after them. Yeah. I mean, you can tell this is a proper.
Massive. How the flip are you in there?
Now you've got your gum stuck in the place around. Good grief. Dog. They are beautiful, aren't they?
Jane got the reds though,
Right, no.
but they are absolutely stunning.
Out. Come on. Come on, look, you're going to
Come
come on,
on,
dog
you.
like this. That's it. Right.